Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify to do screencasts. So currently I have my web browser open and I've already downloaded Screencastify. It will reside here in the bar next to your Omnibox in Google Chrome. So if I click Screencastify, it will give me several choices. I can record just the webcam, that's my camera that's attached to my laptop, just your whole desktop, or just a browser tab. So if I turn the webcam on and select the microphone, I have an external microphone plugged in right now for this recording, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And if I hit record, what will happen is it will record me talking, and you'll see me up on the screen. What's really cool about this is a great way to create messages for kids and families, because in this time they're really going to want to see your face. So I'll go ahead and hit record. You can wave, hi. So glad to see all of you. I can't wait to see you again and see what your messages are. And now it's actually recording on Screencastify, which is cool. And you can see down at the bottom, I have the pause option or to stop. So if I kind of forgot my line of thinking, I can pause and restart it. Or if I'm all done, I'm all done. Thanks guys, have a great day. I'm gonna go ahead and hit stop. And one of the nice parts about Screencastify is immediately it will take you to your video recording. I'm gonna pause it so we don't have double audio. Replay it for you, and it will automatically save it into your Google Drive in a folder called Screencastify. And what's nice about this is once it's done saving, I can go ahead and click copy a shareable link, and I can send that to parents so that they can see it. I also could share it to Classroom. If I'm using Google Classroom, I could put it on YouTube. If you're really advanced and you want to embed it into a website, you could do that as well. That's the first lesson on Screencastify and how to use the webcam, and we will stop for there today.